Hello, good morning. My name is Smith Bua. This is my group project, E-ParkGuard Smart Parking System. This is my group mate Jevin Talavia and Risit Navadia, and project overview tech by Risit Navadia.
So, hello guys, this is our project E-ParkGuard Smart Parking System with the IoT. Now we using the RFID for authentication, so no one can enter our parking area. So we use the RFID reader for tapping the RFID card. So whenever the user entering into the parking slot, they must have to put their RFID tag to the RFID reader for authentication. Then our reader check the UID from both sides, like from user side and from our data sheet side. If it match, then the servo motor open the gate and then he able to park their vehicle onto our parking area. So already existing system, like nowadays user use the traditional parking system. In traditional parking system, user use the boom bearing system and manual ticketing. So in that system, user have to go to the ticketing area and buy one ticket for parking their vehicle into the traditional parking system. So replace this traditional parking system, we come up with the E-ParkGuard Smart Parking System. So it is use the RFID tab. So user don't have to go to the ticketing area for buying a ticket. Just come up into the entering gate and tap the tag to the RFID reader and blink of the eye, servo motor open the gate, and then they are able to park their vehicle into the parking area. Now hardware and software component taken by Jevin Talal.
We are using basically one Arduino Uno, one RFID and two servo motor and 8 iron sensor and one buzzer and one LCD.
Now we start to the demonstration part, taken by the Smith board.
This is the RFID card taped to RFID reader.
Now user entering into the entry gate and tap the RFID
And open the gate.
And parking their vehicle into the first slot. We use the FCFS protocol, so first come first server. User must have to put their vehicle into the first come first server order. Like here is start first to the 8th slot. Second slot.
This
Third
card
slot.
is access denied. For the UID is not met
Because we don't enter the UID for into the reader for checking the unauthorized access.
Third slot. Fourth slot.
Four slot only is full, and any 5th, 6th, 7th or 8th slot is empty. Is allocated the parking area.
Fifth slot. Sixth slot. And seventh. And eighth.
Now we are able to check like 8 out of 8 slots are full. Now our parking area is completely full. You can check here S1 to S8 allocated with the X. X means all parking slots are full. Now we are start the entry.
Is any one car is the third slot, fourth slot, any one car exiting is the third slot is exit.
Third car is now being exit.
The third slot is free.
Hmm.
It's the second one. Six slot.
Now all parking area are empty. You can check here, like
S1, S2,
S2, S3 or S8.
All park is empty.
Now, like one scenario, you can check like if the user are entering into the entry gate and tap the RFID tag. So in our system, we design like first slot is basically assigned to that user, but by mistake user put their vehicle into the third slot. So our system is denied to entering the new user until unless he put their vehicle into the first slot.
First slot is full. And second slot is full.
ત્રીજા મૂકવી છે.
There one is third slot.
Third slot, you can check
Add
here.
to cart. And user come to fifth slot. But
User put their vehicle into the fifth slot, but in our system we already assigned the third slot to that particular user. Now you can check drive to the slot 3 waiting until the user put their vehicle into the third slot. Our system denied the access for the new
UID
user.
okay.
Now you can check UID okay, third slot is full like assigned. So this is our project, like it's completely secure, authorized and eco-friendly. So this is our project using with the IoT integration.